Hello everyone, this is a video on Nepal-India border dispute. There are primarily two existing border disputes between Nepal and India. The first one is Limpiadura, Lipu Lake and Kalapani region, which covers an area of 335 square kilometers in Nepal, India and China tri-junction in northern west of Nepal. According to the Treaty of Sugauli in 1816, when the border were marked, it was decided that western side river Kali will mark the border. The map used by East India Company in the year that followed the treaty showed that Kali River was originated from Limpiadura Pass, which is shown by green lines here. Similarly, in 1962, during Indo-China border conflict, Indians set up their camps in Limpiadura, Lipu Lake and Kalapani by taking permission from Nepalese government, and after the war ended, they never moved out of the camp. Similarly, in 2015, China and India agreed on a trading post, a Lipu Lake link road, which would be feasible for both the countries, India and China, as it is a part of Nepal. The country did not consult Nepal for such a great decision. Again, in 2nd of November 2019, India published a new political map which include Kalapani and Lipu Lake within Indian territories, which is a part of Nepal, so it is an absolute border encroachment. So Nepalese government wrote a letter, but Indian government claimed the land as theirs and they would resolve the border issues after COVID-19 pandemics eases. So Nepalese government unveiled a new political map that depicts Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpiadura as a part of Nepalese territory in May 2020. This move came little more than 6 months after India published a new political map which showed Kalapani as a part of Uttarakhand state. So the second border dispute between Nepal and India is Susta region. The 1816 Treaty of Sugauli defined the Gandaki River as the international border between India and Nepal. The western bank of Gandaki was supposed to be part of Nepal's and the eastern bank was supposed to be part of India. However, over the years, Gandaki region changed its course and Susta moved to the eastern side and is now currently under India's control. Nepalese government has repeatedly stated that Susta belongs to Nepal and Indian government should return the area as Gandaki's course in 1816 should be taken as a fixed international boundary. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it.